Good morning. We're here at Bio, and it's my pleasure to be here with Lee Jones, CEO of Rebiotix. I'm Barbara Nelson, and we're going to talk a little bit with Lee about the company and the value of what they're working on right now. Lee, can you tell us a little bit about Rebiotix?
Yes. Rebiotix, we're a clinical stage microbiology company. We focus our attention on the human gut microbiome and are developing therapeutics based on live microbes derived from other humans. Our focus is on treating debilitating diseases. We are the farthest along clinically in this space in the United States and very excited about the work that we're doing.
And tell us a little bit about RBX 2660. This is your lead product.
Right. So what we've done is we've taken the whole gut microbiome and we've tried to preserve as many of the microbes as we can, and we've packaged those in a patient-friendly format so they could be delivered to a clinic as the patient needs it. Our product is used to treat a debilitating gastrointestinal infection called Clostridium difficile. So there's patients out there that get this disease. They get it by taking antibiotics and being exposed to the disease, and when they get it and they get ill, they're typically given more antibiotics. But people don't develop an immunity to Clostridium difficile, so they get another episode, many do, and they take more antibiotics, and then they get another episode and more antibiotics to the point where they're debilitated. There are no currently approved therapies for people that have multi-recurrence of this disease. Our first product, which is RBX 2660, is meant to treat these people. We've actually run multiple clinical studies with very good outcomes, and I'm happy to report that the patients are generally pretty happy. We get little notes through our clinical site saying how we've changed their lives, and that's what keeps our company going.
Yeah, absolutely. It's exciting. I've been excited to watch actually the company's success over this amount of time. So can you share with us the difference between microbiota restoration therapy and fecal transplant?
Sure. Early on when we got started at Rebiotix, I was very intrigued by the idea that you could take fecal material from one person who was healthy and give it to another person who was unhealthy to cure their disease. But clearly that's not a solution that's going to be palatable to most people. Most people would think that was really horrible. In fact, I thought it was pretty ridiculous the first time I heard about it too. But once I understood that we could take the microbes out of the fecal material, process them, package them, and give them to a patient in a way that can be delivered over and over and over again, I got really excited about this therapy because I thought that this is something that could really change the face of medicine, the way medicine is practiced for a number of diseases. So when we started the company back in 2011, at that time the only evidence that this would work was historical fecal transplants, and we said that's not good enough. We went to the FDA and found out that this was going to be a new drug product, and we were the first person to take this type of drug product through the FDA, and we now have a packaged, stabilized, standardized product to deliver to patients as they need it.
It's really exciting.
It is exciting.
Yeah, it is. It's very exciting. So Bio, you've come to Bio. What's your experience been like here?
It's been really good here. This is the third year I've been here. We generally take advantage of the partnering opportunities, and I walk my feet off every time I come. But this year I think the quality of the meetings that we've had has been much better, and maybe it's because our company now has completed our phase 2 and our phase 2B clinical trials, so we're at a much later stage than we were when we first came. Not only that, but the whole industry of the microbiome has evolved. So where I used to come by myself and be speaking like in the wilderness, today there's multiple companies developing multiple products, and again, we are the first ones to take this product through the clinic, through the FDA, and so for me it's very exciting to be here and see all the energy around the work that we've done.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Lee, for the discussion this morning and sharing a little bit about Rebiotix and RBX 2660.
Well, thank you, and thank you for letting me showcase Rebiotix at Bio.